I am Vikas Jain, co-founder and COO at Jeevitam, and I have with me Munish Chawla, my partner and co-founder. Necessity is the mother of invention, and based off our experience of last 6-7 months during the COVID times, and also based on the feedback received from the industry, I'll try to present to you a solution which will create a significant impact on the cost productivity metrics for your retail organization. Can you allow me to share a few screens to present the concept to you? Jeevitam is a 5-year-old tech-enabled livelihood platform. And while we cater to all kind of profiles, but our focus is specifically on blue-collar and entry-level white-collar profiles. We have 15 million work seekers on our platform, and we cater to 1,000 plus profiles across 500 plus cities. We have 3 modules: audio, web, and app, all fully integrated to suit the requirement and to cater to all kind of roles and requirements across the country. Our audio, which is the most preferred means and cater to 90% of our volumes, is working in 21 Indian languages and 4 international languages, ensuring that we connect with the job seekers and the participants in the right manner and effectively. This platform is founded by 3 of us, Sridhar, Munish, and myself. And together we have experience of 80 years plus in ICICI Bank, Citibank, and Google. Some of our key partnerships as an introduction, we are working closely with IBM Skills Build, with the Ministry of Labor and Employment, with NULM. We are also partnering Association of Indian Universities, CII, DGT, various state skills councils, media platforms, philanthropic organizations, and CSRs. We have a number of solutions for retail sector. For example, a single calling number, which can help you map skills for all people who are applying for your organization and create a pipeline by having a digital profile created for each one of them. In case you have a requirement of hiring in bulk, we can do digital work fairs for you across the country, wherein we can match skills of thousands of candidates in a single day for you. We also have sales freelancers, wherein we can help you expand your sales team on demand, and you can actually pay to them basis either time or productivity, and can bring down your fixed cost to a great extent. But the solution that I would like to present to RAI members today is the part-timer solutions. This COVID scenario actually has created a lot of uncertainty in the demand. While we are all now planning to scale up, the fluctuating revenues, right, don't allow us to actually take up our fixed cost higher than what it is today. Our switch off, switch on capacity to manage cost is the need of the hour. And we also need to manage our peak and non-peak hours during the day at our stores, while also plan for the festive and seasonal demand. So to scale up the operations, I would like to introduce part-timers, wherein the pre-screened and customized part-timer workforce available on tap for your organization can actually change it in your favor significantly. Jeevitam doesn't only help you in terms of hiring the part-timers, but helps you in terms of hiring, onboarding, and also tracking their performance. Let's see how it works. We get a login ID created for you as per your requirement and customized for your requirements. All you need to do is fill in your requirements on the panel in terms of roles, location, hours, shift timings, what you would be paying, for how long do you want the role to be there, all right? And just submit the request. The moment the request gets submitted, the system immediately starts looking for matching profiles in and around your stores. And depending on various parameters, a match score gets generated for these profiles, and they are lined up for the kind of requirement that you have. But it's not that easy. Once we find eligible candidates, we also need to take care of their interest. So a robocalling gets triggered, and we get in touch with all the eligible candidates with a brief description about the job that you have posted in terms of part-timer profile, and check in case they are actually interested in taking up that profile. if found interested, they are actually briefed in detail about all the requirements that you might have, including all the pre-selection criteria. For example, it can be documentation, it can be specific skill sets that you might require, it can be language fluency, whatever is there, a confirmation is taken across all the parameters, and the candidates then are finally lined up for selection with the organization. The only thing left to be done now is the interview part. And this entire process of screening and shortlisting the candidate can just be done in a couple of hours or maximum in a couple of days, depending on the kind of requirements that you might have. In terms of onboarding, the moment the candidate is selected, we can help you in terms of getting their documentation completed, and more importantly, also to prepare them to start working for your organization. We have the facility wherein you can assign them study materials, depending on or explaining to them the kind of role that they are getting into, more details about your organization, company ethos, employee orientation, and whatever you want to add here, you can actually make it customized for yourself. Idea is to let the candidate know even before he steps into your store as to what he's supposed to deliver and what orientation he needs to understand beforehand. On some of the important parameters, even if you want to evaluate or assess the candidates, our platform allows you to actually assign them tests or assessments. For example, to handle a cashier counter, in case you want somebody who is good in maths, at least simple arithmetic, you can actually assign a test out there. Or even to check a language fluency, we can have tests assigned to check on various kind of skills requirements that you might have. Once all this is done, all that your HR team needs to do is look at the candidates, go through the details and the documents submitted, and approve or reject the candidate in terms of final selection. What it also gives you is it gives you an overall view of what is the pipeline which is available for you across your stores in the country. So even while you are sitting in centralized location, you can actually view down to the last store level as to how many candidates are there who are available, who are actually working through the study material assigned and are completing the orientation and would be available for job, part-time job at your stores if required. So it can actually help you plan your business a lot better. Once they are onboarded, they are also tracked on a day-to-day basis. While we are sure you will have your own systems in place for attendance and other administrative controls, but our app also tags them, does a geo-tagging and ensures that the candidate comes to the store and leaves the store in time. We can also help you track on a pan-India basis what are the kind of hours that you have allocated to part-timers, what is the kind of fulfillment that is happening, and you can drill it down to the store level. So it helps you to manage the workforce productivity. And not only that, it can also help you track the essential ratios. What is the kind of absenteeism in this segment? How many employees are there who are disciplined and are on time? How many employees are getting good rating? How many are getting bad rating? And all these ratings can be assigned by your store manager. So the feedback can be down from the ground, and it helps you and us to ensure that the right set of candidates who are there are the ones who get preference over the other candidates who have lower ratings or are not showing that kind of disciplined behavior. So over a period of time, it also helps you to ensure longevity in service and also to ensure that your customers get a superior experience and the customer centricity actually gets built in by way of the right set of employees in place. And it can also provide you all the details that you require for payroll processing. Now, to sum it up, and as to why Jeevitam can help you achieve all this, Jeevitam can actually help you hire part-timers with speed. And we have our audio, web, and app all fully integrated, as we said. So we can actually bring the part-timers, the required numbers on board pretty quickly. We have our systems customized in 21 Indian languages. So we can actually reach out to the people across locations, across the country, and effectively make your profile, make them understand and apply for it. We can also help you in terms of plug and play kind of arrangement, wherein all the trained resources, the pre-onboarded resources can be made available to you over a period of time as a ready pipeline. The most important part, we can help you cut costs along multiple parameters. In terms of hiring, it's not only about sourcing, but it's also about profiling, screening, and ensuring that the candidates are briefed about all the job profile and details. And the only thing left for you is to interview. So we cut down the entire cycle and the cost, which is from sourcing to screening and shortlisting. Our system takes care of that. We help you reduce your full-timer cost into part-time cost and save up to 50% of the total manpower cost at certain stores. In terms of training cost, because we can help you assign the modules and the screening and the orientation modules beforehand, we help you in terms of getting the employees up the curve pretty fast. It helps in two ways. One, typically a new employee would take maybe a few days or few weeks to come up the curve. Here, that cycle is cut short. And secondly, it also results in a lower early attrition that we typically see is very, very prevalent in this segment. And last but not the least, we can help you create your own pipeline of trained resources over a period of time. From this pool of quality part-timers, you can always pick and choose people that you would like to upgrade to full-timers depending on their availability. There's some additional features which might be of use to you. We have seen from our experience that most of the companies would not like to have part-timers, or at least would like to have the option of not having part-timers on their own roles. We can help you with payroll management. We can even help you for flexi staffing for some of your critical stores or for a cluster of stores or in a city, wherein we can have a dedicated team who can go and fill up the all the critical profiles on a daily basis, can move from one store to another and ensure that your productivity loss is never there across all critical positions. We can help you, as I said, in terms of pre-joining onboarding. We can customize the study material. We can actually help them prepare. And even before the interview, the candidates are ready in terms of joining your organization. And on your systems and processes, they are completely conversant. And a ready pipeline for you in terms of converting from part-timers to full-timers at any point in time, depending on performance, ratings, and feedback. We're really excited to hear from you. We are open for any questions now. And in case you want any further details to be shared with you or a demo to be arranged for you, I'll request you to WhatsApp or SMS on the following number. It's 88263 13737. I'll repeat, it's 88263 13737. You just need to write RAI, your company name and your name, and we'll get back to you. Alternatively, you can send your queries to Munish@Jeevitam.com. Both the details are there on the screen. We really look eagerly forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much.